Hi and welcome to this Blueberry Markets video update with me, John Kibler, head currency analyst. In this video we're going to go through Kiwi US dollar. I see a lot of downside to this market, so I just wanted to go over it in a little bit more detail. The weekly time frame and monthly time frame. So I'm just going to go for the higher time frames just to give us a bit more perspective of what's going on. Monthly time frame, obviously we've got one more day closing on this, and we can see that price came back up into this level just through here and rejected, and we can see if we just look at this monthly how well price kind of reacts to this area. So we can see here resistance, a little bit of support through there, some support just through here as well. Market has come into this point, rejected. So what I'm expecting here is another move down on Kiwi US dollar. Whether it gets back to these lows is a different question, or whether it maybe just comes back to sort of that 0.62 level and then kind of continues up or whatever. All we can see right now is just that price is rejecting this zone once again. Kiwi has been noted on our strength and weakness as being very strong, and that it could be at a point of reversal from last week. We're now seeing that reversal starting to play out as we go to sort of the weekly time frame. We can see that price is like double topped here, broken through, formed a lower low, lower close candle. We are also overbought on the RSI, so we can see down here, overbought on the RSI in a position of resistance, expecting the market to push to the downside now. Okay, so really looking for this market to kind of head towards that 100 areas, even that 6200 sort of level through here. So expecting some downside. Now if we go into that daily time frame, we're starting to see a little bit of a pullback, which is great. That's what we want to see now that the market, or typically in trending markets, we see when they do make lower lows, we see a retest of that structure and continuation, and that's what I want to see here. I want to see this market break down, pull back, get to this neckline area of resistance and continue to push to the downside. So what I'm expecting here is Kiwi to kind of pull back up into this zone, form bearish candlestick, and get involved in trading this market short once again. Okay, so really like Kiwi dollar here. What we might see on this pullback, or what we could see on this pullback, is a little bit of a 4-hour uptrend. So don't be too concerned with the trend on the 4-hour. Just let me go to the 4-hour. Just bring this up here. What I'm expecting to see from the 4-hour time frame, or what we could look for, is the fact that if we are going to see a retracement, I typically see a slight uptrend, and then once that trend breaks and we start seeing that 4-hour start making lower lows, then that's a really good time to start looking to short the market once again. Okay, so even if we kind of consolidate here, break these lows, that's going to be a good sign of further downside as well. Really like the 4-hour for trend continuation moves, but expecting a bit of a pullback first into this level around about that 0.66 area. Once we get that, then I'm looking for short opportunities on Kiwi. So keep an eye on this market. Really like it. One of my favorite currency pairs this week. Expecting that dollar strength as well. Dollar's just having a bit of a pullback, which is why we're seeing a pullback on Kiwi. But expecting further downside to this market. Like I said, 6200 sort of down through here is a good area to be eyeing up for a move to the downside. So yeah, Kiwi dollar looking good. Hope you enjoyed this video update, and I'll catch you in the next one.